Hey guys, this is Eric from PDP. Today I'm going to be showing off one of our favorite products. This is our interior cleaner, Citrus Blast. Citrus Blast is a delaminine fortified, pH balanced interior cleaner. Works great on fabrics, hard surfaces, and it's even safe for leather. Today we're going to be demonstrating it with one of our favorite tools, a zip air tool with a carpet brush. We've got it diluted in here about 3-to-1. It can be used straight or 1-to-1. 3-to-1 is a great maintenance dilution. So I'm going to go ahead, spray this on the surface, get it saturated on there nicely. We can go ahead and run her.